Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Mayra Gakusan. I'm 39 years old. I am single mom. I have 2 children, ages 18 and 14. I am high school graduate. I work as a housemaid and nanny in Hong Kong to Mr. Jason Hong and Miss Tracy Leng for 4 years. There are 3 members of the family, 2 adults and 1 child. I do household chores like cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing clothes, marketing and tutoring the child. I take good care of baby like changing diaper, feed him and bath him. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money to support my family. I am obedient, honest, trustworthy, and hardworking. I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you and renew if needed. Thank you and see you soon.